everybody, welcome back to my channel. Here for another video for you guys. So for today we are looking at UNice hair. Let's see what they got in the box. Headband, wig cob, and some lashes. Ooh, these lashes look pretty good too. So we are going to be looking at a U-part wig. Here is the hair right here. It actually has like a body wave. I've already been playing in it a little bit before I started making the video, but it had like a nice body wave. It was super soft. I did add a little bit of curls in there, and there was no shedding, y'all. It came with this little piece attached to it, like two strands. It was kind of like together like that, and I just cut them off. It has a comb in the middle of the part and two combs on the end, also a comb in the back. And then it also has adjustable straps. And I'm going to go ahead and adjust the straps. I actually had already tried on the wig, and it seemed to be a little small. This is actually my first time using a U-part wig. I've never worn a U-part wig ever in my entire life. So I didn't know exactly what I was doing, y'all. I didn't. Excuse my voice. My voice, I feel like I'm losing my voice. But I have never worn a U-part wig, and I've been wanting one. So when I came across this, I was like, you know what, I'm going to try it. This hair is a 16-inch hair, a natural color. And with U-part wigs, I don't believe they come in different sizes. You just have to adjust them. One thing I will say next time, I think, you see I left my hair out. I just left a part, and I left a little bit of my edges out and things like that. I think I will have like a little braid or something so that the combs can attach a little bit better in there. So I'm just going to go ahead and attach this middle comb first and then attach the side combs. I had a little bit of an issue with the side comb staying. This wig is actually kind of big. I don't really have anything to compare it to because, like I said, this is my first time having a U-part wig. But even after adjusting the straps, it was still kind of big. So, like I said, I think it would have been better maybe if I put a braid there but then I wanted it to lay flat. I wasn't sure if that was going to keep it from laying flat. I don't know. So, yeah, this is it. And y'all, my hair. So I had washed my hair and everything like that, and I oiled my scalp, and I added too much oil. So my hair is kind of oily. I was a little upset, and I was a little nervous on how my hair would blend with this hair. But it actually ended up looking really cute and very natural. So I actually liked it, though. I actually liked it. This hair, like I said, was very soft. So yeah, the links will be posted in the description box below. If I haven't already said so, welcome back to all of my subscribers. If you're new, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn the notification bell on so you can see more videos from me. All right, so again, this is UNice hair. Make sure you check out the link in the description box for all of the details. It actually turned out pretty good. Even when I added some curls in there, it actually turned out pretty good. But I don't think that U-part wigs are actually for me, just because when you have a U-part wig, you have leave out and you have to keep adding heat to your hair, and I'm trying to reconstruct my edges and things like that. So I'm trying to limit how much heat I really put in my hair. So I'm not sure if U-part wigs will be the best option for me, just because of the heat that you have to keep putting in your hair to blend your hair. And my hair is relaxed, but still, to make it blend, you would still have to be, you know, playing in it and just doing all kind of stuff. But it actually ended up working actually okay. So y'all keep on watching. Again, subscribe if you haven't already done so. So here is the finished product. I think this is so cute though. Like really, it looks like my hair. It looks really natural. And my hair was able to blend with it really easily. Like I'm glad I didn't really get, I wanted a longer one, but I was like, now I'm glad that I didn't get something that was too long. It's so versatile. I can put it behind my ears, and I can also do a side part if I wanted to because of the space they put in the U part. This is cute. It really looks like my hair. I thought the color was going to be off. The color blended good. Y'all go get this U part wig. This is super cute. I love it. Again, the information is in the description box. Go ahead and check it out. Subscribe if you haven't done so. And thank y'all so much for tuning in. Until next time, y'all be blessed.